So now we're going to talk about adjusting entry for prepaid expenses. So adjusting entry meaning that at the end of the accounting or financial year, you want to look back to the events that occurred in that year, and if you have some deferrals that you need to adjust at the end of the year, you have to do that. And so right now we're going to show you how adjusting entry for prepaid expenses is going to show up on the accounting equation. So going back to the example that we used about a company renting office space for an entire year, and that company prepaid rent in the beginning of the year for $12,000. And so as you can see right here, prepaid rent is $12,000 at the beginning of the year, and then cash decreased by $12,000 because the company used cash to prepaid rent. And so at the end of the year in December, what happened in the accounting equation is that you'll recognize that expense. So you look back to the year, and then you look at, we have prepaid rent $12,000 from January, and so we need to recognize it as an expense, because throughout the year you used up all the rent, so you have been expensing that rent that you paid in January. So what happened is, at the end of the year, your prepaid rent will go down by $12,000 because you used 12 months of it, and then your expense would go up by $12,000, and then your retained earning would go down by $12,000. So this is what happens for adjusting entry for prepaid expenses.